Now, let's talk about a skill that's been around forever, but is more valuable than ever before in the digital age. Well, I'm talking about copywriting. If you've ever read an advertisement, an email, or even a website that made you want to buy something, congratulations, you've seen copywriting in action. So, what exactly is copywriting? Simply put, copywriting is the art of writing text, or copy, for marketing purposes. The goal? To persuade the reader to take action. That action could be anything from buying a product, signing up for a service, or even just clicking on a link. As a copywriter, your job is to create compelling content that grabs attention and drives results. And this can take many forms, like product descriptions, email campaigns, website content, social media ads, or sales letters. It's basically about using the power of words to inspire action. And trust me, businesses are always in need of good copywriters. Now, there are different types of copywriting depending on the medium and the goal. Here are some examples. Sales copy. This is the most common type of copywriting. It's what you see in ads, product pages, and landing pages that are trying to sell something. Email copy. Companies use emails to keep in touch with their customers, announce new products, or offer special deals. Email marketing is huge, and writing those emails is a specific skill. SEO copywriting. This is where you write website content designed to rank higher on search engines like Google. Businesses pay a lot for SEO-friendly copy that drives traffic. Social media copy. Writing catchy, attention-grabbing posts or ads for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter can be a great way to break into copywriting. All right, let's talk about some of the benefits of copywriting. Firstly, you're your own boss. As a freelance copywriter, you decide who you work with, what projects you take on, and how much you charge. You're not dependent on anyone else, and that freedom is awesome. Secondly, flexible work hours. Whether you're balancing school or extracurriculars, copywriting allows you to work on your own schedule. Thirdly, it's location independent. You can work from anywhere, home, school, a cafe, or even on vacation. As long as you have a computer and internet, you're good to go. Fourth is lucrative pay. Once you develop a reputation and client base, copywriting can pay very well, especially for teenagers who are still in school. Experienced copywriters can charge premium rates for their work. And the last is learning essential skills. C. Copywriting isn't just about writing. It's about understanding people and how they make decisions. You'll develop skills in psychology, marketing, and sales that are useful in any career. And much like anything else, copywriting comes with its own challenges. Firstly, getting good at copywriting takes time. You need to learn how to write persuasively, how to structure your copy, and how to adapt your style depending on the project. Secondly, when you're just starting out, finding clients can be tough. You'll need to build a portfolio and do some networking, but once you get the ball rolling, it gets easier. Thirdly, copywriting is performance-based. If your copy doesn't convert, meaning it doesn't get people to take action, clients might not want to hire you again. And lastly, some projects may come with tight deadlines, which can add pressure, especially if you're balancing copywriting with school. So, how do you get started with copywriting? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, learn the basics. Start by studying copywriting fundamentals. Books like The Adweek Copywriting Handbook or Copywriting Secrets are great resources. You can also find tons of free articles and videos online. Then, build a portfolio. When you're starting, you won't have clients yet, so create some mock projects. Write product descriptions, create fake ads, or write sales emails as if you were working for a company. This will give you something to show potential clients. Thirdly, create an online presence. Set up a simple website or portfolio on platforms like Behance or Contently. Even a good LinkedIn profile can work when you're just starting out. Next, start freelancing. Once you have a portfolio, start reaching out to potential clients. You can find copywriting gigs on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can also approach small businesses in your local area that might need help with their website copy or marketing materials. And last step is to hone your craft. Copywriting is all about continuous improvement. Keep practicing, learn from feedback, and never stop refining your skills. The more projects you take on, the better you'll get. So once you've got your portfolio and you're ready to take on the world of copywriting, the big question is, where do you find clients? The good news is that opportunities are everywhere. You just need to know where to look. Start with freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms are gold mines for beginners because they connect you directly with clients looking for copywriting services. Sure, the competition is tough, but if you position yourself well by writing a killer profile and showcasing a few samples, you can land your first gig sooner than you think. Next up, social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram are underrated for finding clients. Post about your skills, share tips on copywriting, and showcase your work. You'll be surprised how often potential clients slide into your DMs when they see the value you bring to the table. Don't underestimate local businesses either. Visit cafes, salons, or small shops in your area that may need help with their websites, menus, or social media posts. A quick chat with the owner can turn into your first paid project. And finally, networking groups. Join online communities like Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or even Discord servers related to marketing and copywriting. These places are perfect for connecting with other professionals and learning about job opportunities. Remember, building relationships is key. Don't just pitch, offer value, and let your skills do the talking. Let's be real, everyone makes mistakes when they start out, but the key is learning from them. Here are some common ones to watch out for. Mistake number 1, writing for yourself, not your audience. You might think your copy sounds amazing, but if it doesn't resonate with your audience, it's useless. Always put yourself in the reader's shoes. What do they want? What problem are they trying to solve? Mistake number 2, neglecting the call to action CTA. Your copy can be brilliant, but without a strong CTA, it's like a movie without an ending. Whether it's buy now, sign up, or learn more, your CTA needs to be clear and compelling. Mistake number 3, overloading with jargon. Using big fancy words might seem impressive, but it often confuses your audience. Keep it simple, clear, and direct. Mistake number 4, taking feedback personally. When a client asks for revisions, it's not an attack on your skills. It's part of the process. Take feedback as a chance to improve your craft. And the last one is, thinking copywriting is only about writing. The best copywriters are also great researchers. Spend time understanding your client's product, their audience, and their competitors. The more you know, the better your copy will be. And there you have it. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll not only improve faster, but also stand out in the competitive world of copywriting. Now let's talk about the future. Is copywriting here to stay, or will AI take over? Here's the deal. Technology is changing the game, no doubt. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude are making it easier to write out content faster than ever. But here's the kicker. No AI can replicate the emotional intelligence, creativity, and storytelling that human copywriters bring to the table. In fact, the demand for copywriters is only growing, especially in digital spaces. Think of industries like e-commerce, SaaS, and even influencer marketing. All of them rely on persuasive copy to connect with audiences. Plus, new trends like voice search optimization and chatbot scripts are creating fresh opportunities for skilled copywriters. So, if you're worried about being replaced by AI, don't be. Instead, focus on what makes you unique. Also, you can take these AI tools to your advantage for inspiration. Let's address some burning questions and clear up a few misconceptions about copywriting. First, do I need to be naturally creative to be a copywriter? Absolutely not. Creativity is a skill you can develop over time. The more you write, the better you get. Copywriting is more about understanding your audience than coming up with Shakespearean prose. Next, copywriting is just about writing ads. Nope, copywriting is everywhere. Websites, emails, product descriptions, social media captions, you name it. If it involves persuading someone to take action, that's copywriting. Next, does copywriting require perfect grammar? Not really. While grammar is important, the goal is to communicate effectively. Sometimes breaking grammar rules can make your copy sound more relatable and conversational. Next, isn't copywriting being replaced by AI? Like I said earlier, AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's great for automating repetitive tasks, but it can't replace the human touch that makes your audience feel seen and understood. In a world where content is king, copywriting is an invaluable skill to have. The best part? You don't need anything more than your creativity, a laptop or phone, and some practice to get started. It's a career that offers freedom, flexibility, and the potential to earn great money, all while sharpening your skills in marketing, psychology, and communication. So, if you love writing and want to make money while still in school, copywriting might just be the perfect fit for you.